Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about probability. So now I will show you how to answer. In tossing two fair coins, what is the probability of obtaining two heads? So now I will show you how to answer. We know that one coin we have one head and one tail, and we have another coin here. They have the same. So they want to get about two heads in here. We know that there are two possibility of this coin, and we have another two possibility of that coin. So the total that should be about 2 multiplied by 2. But we see that we only one chance to get one head and one head. So the probability of this one, we have 1 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.